Welcome to Kefalonia, a paradise in the Ionian Sea filled with jaw-dropping beaches, charming villages, and breathtaking landscapes. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 places you absolutely need to see when visiting this incredible island. Let's dive straight in. Number 10. Platia Ammos. One of Kefalonia's most stunning and remote beaches, hidden under the monastery of Kippureon. Once accessible by a long staircase, now only reachable by boat or a sketchy hike, Platia Ammos rewards the adventurous with crystal clear waters, dramatic cliffs, and complete tranquility. It's wild, untouched, and absolutely unforgettable. Number 9. Antisamos Beach. Surrounded by lush green hills, Antisamos is a beach lover's paradise with vivid blue water. It's also famous for its appearance in the movie Captain Corelli's Mandolin. Great for swimming, snorkeling, or just soaking up the scenery. Number 8. Melissani Cave. This underground lake is one of Kefalonia's most magical experiences.
Here, the depth of water is 15 meters. 15.
As the sunlight beams through the collapsed roof, the water glows a surreal shade of blue.
This place is a river, an underground river. The water is coming from Argostoli, from the sea, from Catavofres under the ground. 20 kilometers under the ground, the water needs 2 weeks, entering here after 2 weeks. It's very clear water, always cold, 15 degrees.
A short boat ride through the cave is all it takes to feel like you're in a dream.
It's very shallow here, 1 meter depth. The water always running, always flowing.
At number 7, we leave the coastline behind and head to the highest peak of Kefalonia, Mount Ainos. Standing at 1,628 meters, this mountain offers breathtaking panoramic views across the island and even towards the neighboring islands on a clear day. The hike up is beautiful, winding through the unique Kefalonian fir forest, a tree species found almost nowhere else in the world. Even though the visibility was very poor when we were there, if you love nature and adventure, Mount Ainos is absolutely worth the climb. Starting off at number 6, Fteri Beach. Known for its striking red sand and clay cliffs, Fteri Beach offers a completely different vibe compared to the rest of Kefalonia. It's a perfect spot to relax, swim in shallow waters, or even treat yourself to a natural clay spa straight from the cliffs. You can find the similar intense red sand at Megas Lagos, which is the continuation of Fteri Beach to the east. And if you're lucky, you might see baby turtles hatching. Coming in at number 5, Fiskardo. This harbour village is straight out of a postcard, with colourful Venetian-style buildings, boutique shops, and waterfront tavernas. Fiskardo offers a touch of luxury and old-world charm you don't want to miss. Top 4 coming up. Coming in at number 4, Argostoli. The capital of Kefalonia has a lively waterfront, charming squares, and the chance to spot sea turtles right in the harbor. Wander along the Lithostroto street, enjoy the cafes, and don't miss the local market in the mornings. When in Argostoli, visit also Agios Georgios Castle and enjoy the view. At number 3, Assos. Nestled on a narrow peninsula, this colorful village is pure magic. Wander through flower-filled alleys, hike up to the Venetian castle, and take in breathtaking views of the surrounding bay. Assos feels like stepping into a dream. At number 2, Myrtos Beach. One of the most iconic beaches in all Greece, Myrtos stands with its towering cliffs, glowing white pebbles, and electric blue waters. Whether you see it from above or swim in its waters, Myrtos is unforgettable. And finally, at number 1, Fteri Beach. This remote gem is accessible only by boat or a hike, but trust me, it's worth it. With powder white sand, crystal clear water and dramatic cliffs all around, Fteri feels untouched and almost secret. It's the kind of place you'll remember forever. That wraps up the top 10 places to see in Kefalonia. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe for more travel adventures, and let me know in the comments which of these places would you like to visit. Thank you for watching, see you next time.